2 of our holiday. Every morning now, well, for the last couple of mornings, so I've only just woken up, the last couple of mornings, obviously waking up early and coming out to the balcony just to have a look at the beach. It's just nice and calm. It's absolutely lovely, and I'll show you guys. This is what I mean, this is what it looks like first thing in the morning. It's nice and calm, there's like literally no one about. It's so peaceful. Absolutely love it. So I don't know what we're going to do today. I absolutely love the sound of obviously the beach first thing in the morning. So lovely. So yeah, I don't know what we're going to get up to today, but whatever we do, obviously you guys are coming along with us just to see what we are doing for our holiday. We are going to go down to the breakfast this morning, so I will have to wake Lisa up in a minute. Lisa tends to lie in, which is fair enough. Like, it's fair enough if you don't want breakfast like in the hotel room, but obviously where we ventured to the hotel restaurant last night to have dinner, we thought we'd just go down and have breakfast and see what their breakfast is like. We didn't have lunch yesterday because the time just went so fast. We just wanted to stay in our hotel room and sunbathe and that, hence why I've got a bit of a tan, and it was only day 1, but yeah, day 1 was actually quite good. It was just nice and chill just to see what we have nearby. I have actually got on my phone, because obviously we've got the boat trip on the Monday and Siren Park on Wednesday. I have actually got the tracker for when the bus stop and stuff is. So I think the bus stop for the boat trip is at the front of the building. It's actually next to the other hotel, and then the Siren Park bus stop is literally just down the road. Plus I want to go to Chill Box as well, try that out. That's been recommended by a lot of people on TikTok. So yeah, I do want to try out the Chill Box as well. But yeah, this is day 2. I will show you my outfit of the day. If we are chilling by the pool, then it's just going to be a nice day by the pool or by the beach or whatever. But yeah, I'll have to see what Lisa wants to do today and get back to you. This is my outfit of the day. I've just got a blue scrunchie in my hair. I've got these seashells earrings. I thought I'd wear them today. I've popped on my bikini top as a bra because it's so much more comfortable. And then I did actually have a long sleeve t-shirt on, but obviously when we went down for breakfast, I was quite hot. So we come back to the room. Obviously I got changed. Lisa wanted a cup of tea. We was going to have a cup of tea downstairs, but I couldn't find the little teapots that they have. So I said to Lisa, like, we can always go back to the room if you want a cup of tea. So we've come back. Lisa's having a cup of tea. I've literally just got changed. So I've popped this little boob tube white top on. I know I've got loads of sunburn already and I wanted to keep my shoulders covered, but I just get too hot, and the hotter I am, the flustered I get, and then I start getting irritated, then I start being sick. So I thought, you know what, I'll just come upstairs and get changed. And also I've got my blue denim shorts on as well, and then I've got my beige flip-flops on. So yeah, all of my clothes and all of my accessories etc are all from Shein. You guys would have seen the videos that I done for like Shein hauls and stuff. So yeah, everything I got is all from Shein, like earrings, clothes, bikinis, the whole lot is all from Shein. So if you ever want any links or anything, then head over to my Shein hauls. I can't remember what one it is, so you might have to click on all of them and have a look. But yeah, today we was going to spend a day by the pool, but it's now been changed. Lisa's now come on, so we're just going to walk a little bit around town. We got to find the Siam Park bus stop so we know where we've got to go. Our bus stop for the boat trip is literally just around the corner of the other hotel, so that's not that far. And then try and find like the chill box so we can get a really nice ice cold drink. We'll try their chill boxes out. And yeah, and then, you know, if there's any clothes shops that obviously if me and Lisa wants to go in, then we will, but you guys will be coming along with us. Breakfast was really nice. I tried some of like the Spanish omelette, the Spanish sausage, and it was like it looked like a little chorizo thing, but it was all batter and it was all potato, and it's actually quite nice. But yeah, everything was all really nice. So yeah, come along with us. A nice Malibu and Coke as always. Lisa's just got a normal Coke. Just chilling out at the pool bar. So we've got our spa down there. That's for like food and that. Obviously like it's all the hotels, all the rooms, reception, and then down there is the pool, and then obviously the bar's there. And we're just currently sitting here having a drink for a little while. So we're just sitting down having a drink, and then we're going to go back to the hotel room. Lisa's going to put a bikini top on, and then we're going to go to the beach, and then yeah, I'll film a bit more at the beach. So we've come back to the room. We was actually at the pool bar, we had a couple of drinks. So we've come back to the room. What we're going to do is sunbathe on the balcony for a little while and then go to the beach. I at the moment look like a squishy, so I'm all red at the top, and then from bottom onwards I'm all white. So we're going to sunbathe on the balcony for a little while longer and then go to the beach. So this is my outfit because we're going for dinner now. Sorry about the time jump. Now obviously we come back to the room. We was going to go to the beach, but Lisa got tired, so she had a little nap. Plus I was video calling Nathan as well, so, and then the time just literally whizzed by. I was on the phone with Nathan for about just over 3 hours. So yeah, sorry about the time jump and a change of plans, but we'll probably go to the little bit of beach after like we've had dinner and drinks and that, just to see what it's like and see how clear the water is, you know. But yeah, I've got a outfit. So obviously I've got me white scrunchie, I've got my black bikini top on as like a bra sort of thing, and then I've got this black cami top, white shorts and my black sandals. I've just popped a little bit of mascara on. I'm not going to wear any earrings. Do you know what, throughout this whole holiday, I know it's only day 2, but I've not actually been wearing any makeup, and to be honest with you, I don't know the reason why I took it with me, because I don't think I'm actually going to wear any makeup throughout this whole holiday. But yeah, we are just about to go down for dinner, so I wanted to let you guys know if there's like a change jump and what I'm wearing and what we're doing. Bit of a concoction once again, I don't know. Just finished dinner, so now we're chilling by the pool, as you can see, at the pool bar, and now I've got a cocktail. Obviously, as you can see, Lisa's taking the lemonade out of her Coke. So I've got a cocktail, it's called Sex on the Beach, and we're just chilling by the pool. And then you've got a pool table there as well. Yeah, see, that's all the deck chairs where everyone lays. We're all being locked away till tomorrow. So nice, having a nice little walk on the beach. Sand is so warm. The beach looks absolutely beautiful. So we finally come to the beach. So obviously we had dinner. I don't know if you guys can actually hear me, but we went to dinner, had a drink at the pool bar, and we thought we'd come along and walk along the beach. We're literally, as you can see, getting our feet wet, and it feels so nice. The sand is so nice as well, it's nice and warm, and yeah, I will show you what our view looks like by standing in the sea. So obviously we're just standing in the sea, so this is what we are looking like. So yeah, we're just woohoo! It's alright, you're not going to get soaked. You'll be absolutely fine. We're only like at the edge anyway, so yeah, and there's all the buildings down there, and then you've got buildings there and buildings up there as well. So yeah, we're gonna spend a good hour or two here and then go and find some more shops and have a look. Just walked round to the other part and we have an amazing sunset and it looks so beautiful. Absolutely love it. Obviously this is only the second day. Yeah, it's absolutely stunning. I love it. Okay, so we went along the beach as you guys would have seen. Just walked along. Lisa's currently having a bath. I think I might have a shower in the morning because I don't take as long as she does, so she's having a bath now. So yeah, as you guys would have seen, we went along the beach, we saw the sunset. Then just after that, all we did was just rinsed our feet from the sand, and then we went to the little shop, had to get some plastic spoons because obviously we're making a cup of tea and we don't have any spoons, so we got some spoons. I got some more razors because the mini razor that I actually purchased for obviously the holiday, the head keeps coming off and I won't be able to shave my legs properly, so I just bought some, I'll just show you, just bought some little cheap razors, which I do, you know, it don't matter if I bend them because they're only cheap anyway. I might actually keep the rest, I'm not too sure. We have already got snacks. I've got half a packet of crisps left. We've still got some fairy cakes left. Lisa's still got some crisps left, I think. And I got a AU vodka drink. So the only thing we're going to do for the rest of the night is just chill out. I was going to say we can go and get a couple of drinks by the bar. But it looked like there was loads of people already over there. I must admit though, obviously because it's a girls' holiday, it's just me and Lisa, so even when we just walk in at night at 9, like you get random people just standing in the streets that want to have a chat, which is understandable because they want to try and get you into the club sort of thing. But I'm not that kind of person. Like, I'm 33 years old. I don't want to keep going out nightclubbing all the time. It's not my thing. I've done that in the past. I don't want to do it again. You know, nightclubs are not for me anymore. Obviously I still go out with the girls now and again. I go out with my mate, my best mate Jade, and obviously I go out with my cousins and that. But I wouldn't actually go out my way and go partying, you know, go out nightclubbing. So we tend to stay away from the Veronica Strip at night, but you still get random people. Like today, like we was walking. Now I didn't film this. My arm's gonna kill me. But we didn't actually film this because I didn't actually get one. But we did actually go down to Chill Box. I was going to have one of those ice cold drinks. Tomorrow we are actually going to go there and I will show you properly. I did take a picture, which I would put that all in the day 3 video. But we did go to Chill Box, and as we was walking back, like back home, obviously I didn't get one because I didn't fancy one. I didn't get one because they was having maintenance. We already sat outside for about just over an hour, and I thought, you know what, it's probably going to be another hour until they fix all their maintenance and let everyone in. So I thought, you know what, let's just head back to the hotel and I'll get one on Sunday. So obviously in day 3, we will be going back to Chillbox and I will be getting one, so I'll show you guys then. But as we was coming back towards the hotel way, like a bloke shouted out, like, do you have weed or do you sell weed? And I thought, no, that's what I mean. Like, you just get random people just coming up to you all the time, talking to you. Like, I understand they're trying to be friendly, you know, but I don't do that sort of thing. Nah. But yeah, it's just going to be chilling for the rest of the night. Obviously, like I said, Lisa's having a bath now and then getting into her PJs. I'm going to get into my PJs and video call Nathan. I did video call him earlier, which was a 3-hour video call. But yeah, I'm going to video call him for the rest of the night, speak to him, chit chat. You know, I miss him. I'm literally missing him like crazy. This is the first time within 7 years we've been together, like we've been apart. So it's hard, but I'm still texting him every day. I'm video calling him, you know, so it is hard and I'm missing him like crazy. And I do love him so much. Anyway, I'm going to end this video before I start sobbing my heart out. So I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. As always, if you have, give it a like, comment and subscribe. Sorry if all my holiday vlogs have been ippy, like all very jittery here, there and everywhere. I'm trying to do the best I can. Obviously, I'm trying to enjoy my holiday myself and trying to think of, oh, I've got to film this, I've got to do this, you know, but I'm trying to enjoy the holiday. It's the first holiday in such a long time, so I'm trying to do everything right. But yeah, I hope I'm okay. If not, I will try again next time. Like, me and Nathan do want to go on holiday together as well. We have already spoken about that. But yeah, we do want to go on holiday, just the 2 of us. We don't know where yet, we don't know when, but we will. So guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. Give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next day. Bye guys.